Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen and welcome to Knife Skills 101. Now, I've been teaching kids and adults how to use a knife correctly, safely, and efficiently for years. So let's get started. The most, I think, efficient knife that you can use to cut and the safest knife is known as the chef's knife. All right, so you can see the blade, a really well-made knife. The blade goes right into the handle and it's usually riveted in there and it's really bolted in safely. So we're gonna cut an apple and you're gonna tuck. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to choke up on my knife so that my pointer finger and my thumb are on either side of the blade. Nothing, not any of my fingers are at the blade level, all right? So I'm gonna practice this rocking motion, almost like a seesaw. And I used to teach kids to actually sing, seesaw, Marjorie Daw, so they would learn how to rock that knife. Now, you're trying to get a piece of food that you're cutting that is not roly-poly. So you're gonna tuck in the opposite finger, all right? Tuck those fingers in so you're protecting your nails and the beginning of your fingers, and you're using the knife to rest against your flat side of your finger, and you're just gonna cut down. You're gonna point down to the cutting board, okay, like that. Now, the other thing to make sure is that when you cut something that's got a flat surface. So again, I'm going to tuck in, and I'm going to start that seesaw motion, and I'm gonna start gently cutting, slow and steady. All right, we're not playing Iron Chef because that comes with time and over repetitive motion. It takes years to get that fast. If you are that fast in the beginning, you're gonna end up with a lost finger. All right, and you're gonna go slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. And when you clean off the knife, take either a piece of the food and just slice it down, shush it down so you can slice off the food. Never grab under the blade, ever. And then try to move the cut food into a bowl away from you so it's actually freeing you up to maintain your focus on the food you're cutting at hand. You also want to make sure that your cutting board is steady, and if it's not, you want to get a kitchen towel that you lightly moisten and fold it underneath so it's steady. I'm pretty steady here, so I don't need that, all right? So Knife Skills 101, be safe in the kitchen and keep on baking and cooking. I hope you've enjoyed this video and become a subscriber. Until next time.